We are here at 24 Greenway Plaza, and these are the elevators at 24 Greenway Plaza. This is a low rise. Let's go to 12. Door closed is kind of stuck a little bit. I'm gonna clean off my lens. See if that helps. That helps. Let's go to lobby. Uh-oh, look at that. They're doing maintenance, so they're doing it like one by one. That's a different one. That kind of, I don't know. It's a nice elevator. They're your fixtures. These are Otis Lexan. We're gonna take this in to 12 and we'll transfer. Now this will be a full tour of all three elevators. Here we are at floor 12. We'll get out here, we'll watch the doors close. There it goes. Now look at that. All right, let's go to the high rise. Now we're gonna try to get one of these two. So we're gonna press both up and down. That doesn't look. These two don't light up, but they do right here. We're gonna try to get this one right here. So here we go.
That's the budget. That's my check. Normally you'll see a report, and I'm sure the administrator.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm good.
You getting all the help you need on your elevators?
Yes.
Cool. I'm glad y'all called in and set it up.
I'm gonna do a round trip ride. I'm doing a full tour of these wonderful elevators. And these are your fixtures. It is lunch rush. Y'all go ahead, have a good day.
Thank you.
Let's take some back up to 20. Oh, going up?
Yeah.
Which floor?
15.
15.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, so,
Got some private eye over here, spine.
nice.
Now it is lunch rush, so we may stop.
Alright. You need to do what?
So yeah, so, the one that I wanted to
15.
wear under, the one that they had was like the deep color.
Have a good day.
You see?
Thank you. Guards had.
Here we are at 420. If no one's waiting, we'll take it up for another ride because I love these elevators. Then we get our cab view. Same as a low rise, except this is brighter. Here are your fixtures. take this up for one more ride, and then we'll go to the parking elevators. Door closed does not work. We'll go to the lobby and we'll transfer to the parking elevators. Here we are back at lobby. We'll watch these doors close. And there it goes. And off to the parking elevators. These are Dover. We'll transfer at B2. We're going to try to get the one in the middle, and you'll see why. Holy. This one is not a good elevator. It's darker, different cab. Look up in the ceiling. Hey, send this up to 2B. And we'll get another elevator. And we'll get this elevator. Here goes that one. These are Lexan. However, these were modded by ThyssenKrupp in September of 2012. Which one? We'll send this one up. Because I want that one. So we'll send this one up too. We'll take it. We're gonna get this one right here. Because this one has an awesome motor, but the fan overpowers it. But it's still kind of a good motor. Ah, not this one. We'll send it up one more time. I apologize. It's just... I apologize. I really apologize for doing that. Oh, here we go. We'll take this up to 3 and end our tour. Oh, go on ahead.
Thank you.
And there it goes. That will be it.